Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Yeedi S20 Infinity. If you're interested in the S20, the link to it will be in the video description. So to factory reset the S20, just pull and remove the cover, just lift it up and out of the way. And we have to hold down our Wi-Fi button for a couple of seconds here.
Reset to default settings.
So about 10 seconds, we got that voice prompt. It's resetting to default settings. Now we wait for a couple of seconds. You'll notice the light and stuff too. Eventually it'll do a power cycle. So everything will shut off. Then you'll hear a startup tune and chime, and then it walks you through the default voice prompts upon initial setup. So this will wipe everything down, and then it's just like starting fresh right out of the box again. So the light's still on, we're waiting. And again, just keep waiting till you hear that voice prompt noting that everything has been rebooted. So you'll hear that voice prompt, I should say the startup chime. There you go. Now you can hear some of the rest of the unit moving and operating a little bit.
Welcome to use Yeedi robot. Please scan the QR code on the robot to download our app and connect to the network for a better experience.
But that's it. Simple and straightforward for your factory reset with the Yeedi S20 Infinity.